Oh my, it's raining a lot. Oh wait, I heard that's gonna be finished in 2. What is that? Is that rain? If it is, then whoa, what? Oh no, the sun's coming out. I can see that over there. There's rain. It's like, I don't know, but I think it's like a millimeter or something. Whoa. This is not as much as like the other video where there was thunder and rapids of rain. Oh my. The rain is going to be finished in 2 minutes. So I think this video is going to be for 2 minutes. Actually, I don't know, but my dad's saying it. Not gonna, I can do it. Oh, the sun's making a beam. The sun's making a beam. Oh no, the rain's starting to disappear. The rain's... What is that? I can't see that. I can't see that in reality. I can only see that thing in the video. What's that beam? Oh, that's the sun's beam. Wait, what? Wait, it's gonna end. It's gonna end. Oh, it's coming out. Oh no, it's coming out. It is coming out right now. Let's see if it ends in 2 minutes. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, end. Well, it didn't end, but...